In this video, you'll learn how to create a survey in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to design and distribute a survey to gather valuable feedback from your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your dashboard, which displays various options related to your campaigns and audience. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This button is typically found on the upper right section of your dashboard. After you click this, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing different campaign types and options. After that, select surveys from the list presented to you. This will redirect you to the survey creation interface. You should see an introductory screen that provides an overview of the survey features available in Mailchimp. Once this appears, click on the Get Started button. This action will take you to a new window where you can begin creating your survey. It is important to note that you may experience a brief loading period as the system prepares the next set of options. Now, click on the option labeled Create New Survey. This will allow you to initiate the process of designing your survey. Following this, a text box will be visible, prompting you to enter a title for your survey. In the text box, type the title you want for your survey. This title will help your audience understand the purpose of the survey at a glance. After entering the title, click on the Begin button to proceed to the next step. After that, you will see a page with a plus symbol. Click on this symbol to add questions to your survey. A list of question types will appear for you to choose from, including multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scale options. Next, select a question type from the list of options provided. Once you choose, a text box will appear for you to type your question. Make sure your question is clear and concise to encourage responses. After typing your question, you will need to add possible answers. In the designated area, type the first possible answer. To include more answers, click on the plus symbol again to add additional options. Once you have entered all possible answers, click on the Preview button. This allows you to check how the survey will appear to the end user. Take a moment to ensure everything is displayed correctly. If you need to make adjustments, you can click on Exit Preview to return to the editing interface. When ready, click on Continue to Design to move to the next phase of the survey creation process. Now you will see options for designing the layout and appearance of your survey. Click on Review to finalize your survey's design and settings before sharing it. Following the review, click on Continue to proceed towards the sharing options. At this point, you will be able to distribute your survey to your... Finally, click on Share a URL to obtain the link for your survey. This URL can be shared with your audience through email, social media, or other channels to collect responses. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.